Welcome to this full breakdown of the 200 Chus Fur Sculpting Brushes Bundle, a comprehensive collection built for professional and aspiring sculptors working in Blender, ZBrush, or any app that supports alpha-based brushes. Whether you're crafting stylized creatures, realistic animals, or fantasy monsters, this bundle was made to give you natural-looking fur with less effort and more control. The pack includes over 200 handcrafted brushes, each designed to simulate real fur dynamics from soft tufts to wild tangles. These brushes are divided into three main categories. First, single-strand brushes. These allow you to create thin, flowing strokes that help define the direction and motion of the fur, perfect for building up shape and flow in early passes. Second, grouped tufts. These brushes mimic natural hair clumps, thicker and slightly chaotic. They're great for adding volume and variation across a surface. Third, fur area stamps. These let you fill out large regions of your model with dense fur quickly, using high-frequency detail. Together, these categories allow for a layered workflow from blocking out large forms to refining fine, believable texture. This bundle includes brushes for Blender in blend format, brushes for ZBrush in ZBP format, all alphas separately in high-res PSD and transparent PNG for maximum flexibility. You can even import the alpha maps into Substance Painter, 3DC Out, or Encreate Ada ADA OVDR types. These brushes are Data F3DA types. All brushes are sculpting process with the confidence of having pro-quality tools at your fingertips. All download links and the free sample are in the description below. Happy sculpting your own pipeline have been crafted to deliver crisp detail at any resolution. Thank you for watching this overview. You can grab the full 200 furs at a BDT all fingertips. All download links and the free sample are in the description below. Happy sculpting!